2 words. Film.
Oh my gosh, he's so much better.
Fly. Superman! No, oh, not Superman. Sexy Superman. Hi guys, I'm Amber Doig-Thorne, and today I'm here with Robert Sheehan and Leila George, stars of Mortal Engines. We're gonna play action film charades.
We love
nice
games.
charades.
Oh my
I'm gonna do. No, I won't tell you what I'm gonna do. Because that sort of
I'm
ruins
gonna do this, and then you're gonna guess it. Pretend that I didn't say that.
I've got a list of some on my phone. I'm gonna hold it up to my head. You have to act out the film using actions, and I'm gonna allow some noises. So not words, but some noises. Oh, the suspense is killing me.
Oh.
2 words. Film.
Oh my gosh, he's so much better.
Fly. Superman! No, oh, not Superman. Sexy Superman. Super lady. Supergirl. Super lady. Some stabby lady. Super lady. Super Wonder Woman!
Yes! God!
I was like, stabby lady? Mortal Engines.
That's not one. That's so cool.
That's it.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh. Cooking. 2 words.
Oh my gosh.
Stab. Dead. Happy. Superman dies. Batman begins. Batman begins.
No.
Dies.
Oh my god, this is a really hard one. Skip.
Die.
No.
Oh, I don't want to give it. I don't want to give it. Die hard! We're a good team, guys. Flappy. Fluffy horns. Bird. Flying. Cold. Superman. Batman?
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing little batters. Okay. Action film. Cat. Catwoman. Oh, there's some superhero ones. I like this. Okay.
Oh, can I?
Falling back. Falling. Bullet Matrix.
Yes.
Oh, so excited.
See, I used the noises.
Yeah.
That was good. The noises help. Tired. Soldier. Bullets.
Oh.
Foot. Pain. Floating. Space.
This is really hard.
Alien. Martian. What are you doing? Wait,
No, this is what he
skydiving.
does,
Superman.
right? Like, but
Iron Man.
Yes.
I recognize the hand thing.
Yes,
Okay.
see it, hand.
Okay. Driving. Help me. Are you okay? Baby. Child. Baby driver.
Yes.
Ooh, that's a good one. I like that one. This is a tough one. Dead. Hang yourself. Hanging. Unhappy with life. In an unfulfilling job. Hang. Kill. Suicide Squad.
We did
Oh
really
my god,
good.
my heart's
That
going
was
so bad.
harder than Mortal Engines.
I feel like I've just done a day on the movie.
In the great game of survival, this is checkmate.
I knew you wouldn't leave me.
Shut up and run.
You sure you want to do this?
I have to. For my mother.
You look at her, and all you see are the jagged edges. But she is something quite different. She is beautiful and strange and very, very rare.